Hi, everybody. It's Deborah from workathome.online-for-free.com. Thanks so much for tuning in and watching my video today. This is going to be a short one. I just wanted to share this information with my subscribers on my YouTube channel, and I'm also going to be forwarding this to my email subscribers. Whenever I find anything that helps me in my business, I always like to share it with my subscribers and people who are following me to learn how to make money online. This is a video I'm going to share with you called Writing Content with Intent, Increasing Engagement and Conversions. This article is actually written by a man named Kyle, who is the owner, one of the owners of a company called Wealthy Affiliate. We're on their website here. By the way, I'm going to give you the link to this in this description for this video, so you're going to be able to see this and watch this. Kyle is the owner of Wealthy Affiliate. Wealthy Affiliate is an affiliate marketing training company. They're the ones that taught me how to make money online. I joined Wealthy Affiliate back in 2015, and now I'm a full-time affiliate marketer. It's what I do for a living. I own this workathome.online-for-free.com. I own that website, and I own several other websites, and it's what I do for a living. So it's where I got my training, and I am still, all these years later, a premium member of Wealthy Affiliate, and their training is ongoing. They always have more and more and more training available for us. And this is one of the trainings I came across recently. So I just wanted to share it with all of you. Now, in the description box to this video, I'm going to give you the link to be able to go to this article that I'm going to talk with you about right now. I'm going to give you the link to go to my website, workathome.online-for-free.com. There's videos on here. This will tell you all about how I started, what I do to make money online. There's tons of articles on here about how to make money online. And obviously, one of the things that I do for that in all of my websites is I write content. Now, I was going to say if you've been an internet marketer for any length of time, but even if you haven't been, even if you're brand new, you must know that writing content for affiliate marketing or for internet marketing is different than just, writing for a blog or something. It has to make you money, right? You want your audience to engage with you. You want to get comments. You want to get questions. You want to get feedback. You want to get engagement because that's going to up your rankings in Google if people are interacting and engaging with your content. And also, you want to increase conversions. You want to write content that sells your product, whatever it is you're selling. Now, I won't talk about this too long because I want you to actually go to this article with the link I'm going to give you. In this article by Kyle, it's about a 20-minute video here where Kyle actually does a training on writing content with intent. And I'll just tell you briefly, content with intent is going to be much more effective for your business especially if you're an affiliate marketer, if you're an internet marketer. And in this video, Kyle says, I will walk you through the entire process of creating content with intent, and it'll explain the exact process right from the initial keyword research to the creation of the actual article. And he also explains the benefits of doing this along with how to share your share with intent. In other words, just not just randomly posting everywhere on social media and, choking your family and family members and friends with all your content and that sort of thing. I went through this training. I listened to this video, and after several years of experience that I've had, I found it to be very helpful and I learned a lot from it. So I just wanted to go ahead and share this with you. So I hope you'll click into this. I hope you'll watch Kyle's video. If you would like more training from Wealthy Affiliate, they do have a free starter program, and I'll give you the link to go ahead and do that if you want to. You don't need a credit card. All you need is your email, and you can sign up for that, and they will give you a whole ton of free training. I think there's like 20 step-by-step video classes that are put on by Kyle in the free training. And then if you want to, you can upgrade to premium membership, which is not expensive, by the way, and you can continue your training on and on if you want to do like me and do this full time and work at home on your laptop. So I don't want to keep you too long. I just wanted to share that with you. I will give you a link to my website, workathome.online-for-free.com. I'm also going to give you a link in the description box for a free gift. If you go ahead and click that link, give me your email. I will email you a free video that tells you how to do affiliate marketing. In other words, how to make money online like I do. It'll be a free video, and that will subscribe you to my email list. And when you're subscribed to my email list, about every 5 or 7 days, you'll get an email from me that'll contain either a blog post or an article or a video all about making money online. So I hope that this video by Kyle helps you out with writing content. If you found this video to be my video, I mean, to be helpful, if you would please give it a like, I would appreciate it. I would love it if you would subscribe to this YouTube channel. I do a video once a week. Sometimes I do short videos like this. Sometimes I do more in-depth kind of tutorial videos, and I would love it if you would visit my website and see if there's articles there on other topics that might help you. I really would like to help, and that's what I do with my website. I teach people how to make money online like I do. So again, thank you so much for visiting. Again, my name is Deborah, and my website is workathomeonlineforfree.com. Thanks again. Bye-bye.